If you're looking to discover how to use Top Echelon's lead generation tools effectively, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how these tools can help you streamline your recruitment process so you can generate better leads faster. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use the platform, but you'll also get an exclusive bonus that could save you a lot of time and money. First off, Top Echelon offers a powerful set of tools designed to help recruiters find, connect with, and manage leads in an efficient way. Whether you're new to lead generation or just looking for a better way to streamline your process, Top Echelon system provides a user-friendly yet highly effective approach. Now, if you're looking to grow your recruiting business or even scale your existing one, the first thing you'll want to understand is the must-do candidate search feature. This is where you can input key criteria like industry, job titles, skills, and location, and instantly access a pool of qualified candidates. The more specific your search criteria, the better the quality of leads you'll get. The real beauty here is the advanced filtering options, which allow you to narrow down your results to the exact candidates that match your needs. For example, you can filter based on experience level, salary expectations, or even whether they're actively looking for new opportunities. Another standout tool within Top Echelon is the buyer's job order management system. This feature allows you to track all of your job orders in one place. You can assign jobs to specific recruiters, set deadlines, and monitor progress in real time. This not only keeps your team on track, but also helps you identify any bottlenecks in your recruiting process. Plus, you can sync it with your email to send out automated reminders and updates, which means less time spent on admin work and more time on connecting with leads. A feature that really sets Top Echelon apart is the lead tracking tool. This allows you to see exactly where each lead is in your pipeline. Whether the lead is just starting to show interest or is already at the final stages of being placed, you'll know where to focus your energy. By having visibility into your entire pipeline, you're able to make data-driven decisions that can improve your lead conversion rates. Let's also talk about networking tools. One of the things Top Echelon excels at is its network of professionals. With thousands of recruiters using the platform, you get access to a wide array of potential partners for cross-referrals. Whether you're looking to fill a specific job order or just expand your network, Top Echelon's networking features are an excellent way to connect with other professionals in your field. They even offer integrated messaging and desk collaboration tools to help you easily communicate with your network. Now, I know you might be wondering if this is going to be too complicated, but don't worry. Top Echelon has a very intuitive interface that makes it easy to get started. Whether you're managing leads, tracking job orders, or networking with other recruiters, the layout is straightforward and user-friendly. But here's the kicker. You can use Top Echelon's lead generation tools completely free from the first link below, and we're offering exclusive bonuses to give you even more value. If you've ever struggled with lead management, or if your current system feels outdated, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. The platform's real-time analytics and automated features could seriously revolutionize the way you recruit. I also want to mention that as a special bonus, we've got a $1 extended free trial of Top Echelon available only through the link below. So if you want to give these lead generation tools a try for yourself, click the link and start using them today. No strings attached. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. By now, you should have a pretty solid understanding of how to use Top Echelon's lead generation tools. This platform has everything you need to grow your recruiting efforts and find high-quality leads faster and more efficiently. Be sure to check the link in the description for your exclusive free trial. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips on digital marketing and recruitment.